Good morning, Junior Ones, and welcome to Thursday's English lesson. Today, your learning goals will be to order the events of a story in sequence and to be able to recite familiar stories. So, do you think that's knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, you're right. That is a skill. Well done. And again, you will be communicating and inquiring. Okay, well done. So use the comic that you made yesterday to learn the story of the hero that you've chosen. Then, with an adult or someone else in your house, practice telling them the story. Then you can record the story, either just you telling it, or you can do a whole production of it. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be that. It can literally just be you telling the story of the hero from your country. Add the recording to the Google Classroom, but also be ready to retell it in your small group sessions sometime next week. Okay, guys, have fun. Bye.